YEONJUN in motherfucking building. Y'all already know. What's a fucking star? What the hell? You a fucking star? Yeah, you are. And me too. YEONJUN, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, you got sparkly pants. He a mother effing star for real though. Ooh.
Yeah, what can I say? It's nice to be me.
What?
On stage, only time people see me.
Okay.
Everywhere I go, it's awful scenic. Everywhere I pop out presidential, yeah, I need it.
Oh.
Popping off the packs, I'm a fucking star.
Yeah.
Pull up, says you might need to
Raise the bar?
I'ma risk it all, let's get what's the
Ooh, I like the vibe of this already.
What's the fun?
Oh, did he lean with it, rock with it? He lean with it for sure. Ooh. He really doing his solo itch though, for real. No, why did he talking that shit?
I know I'm the one, there won't be another prodigy. Ask me who I am and you know I'm gonna say I'm a fucking star. Shine so bright I might burn you up. I'm a fucking star. Black leather pants say
like a rock star for real. Ooh, that shot looks fire.
On my toes.
Oh.
Floating the butterfly doors.
Oh.
Kicking and flipping my foes. I got frames, I got flames, I got beams, I got
foes.
One red take off, two parking spaces. Spaceship countdown, take off. We
made it.
Took it to the sky from the basement. Now I live a different life. Yeah, I always knew that I'd be somebody.
Somebody.
I never can relate to these nobody.
Ooh, chest out and everything. Yeah. Interesting take. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like Lenny Kravitz a bit, like his own type of version.
Block my shine, you can't block it.
Switch up.
Block my shine, you can't block it. You can't block my shine, you can't block it.
You can't block his shine, you can't block it.
You can't block my
But we
shine,
blocking out here. JRE, y'all already know. Keep on shining till I blow up. Sky, come on. I love the drums in this too. Oh shit. He burnt up. He did say don't stand too close. And the leather jacket was pretty close to him. What did he say? Put a comment down below what you guys think of YEONJUN's fucking star. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Your boy upload the Patreon. We react to the K-Pops, the movie. Be sure to check that out. My commentary on that was hilarious. Also, I'll be streaming tomorrow at 3 p.m. PST. We're gonna do song competition of best K-pop summer songs. Since we're at the end of summer, might as well figure out what's the best K-pop summer song. So we'll be having a good time over there. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-Pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-Pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.